How y'all doing today, YouTube? Should have figured I'd go to videoing and they sirens going off everywhere. But anyway, gotta do what I gotta do. As a lot of you know, I got a 07 Freightliner Century, and today I'm gonna be changing the airbags on it. So I just thought maybe I would bring you guys along and show you the process. It's something you can do at your house, or if you got, you know, basic tools. So probably gonna hear some traffic going by and stuff like that. You know, it is what it is. Can't be anything else. And we'll just get a move on here. Hang with me. I'm gonna see if I can make some tools in an airbag just magically appear. Okay, y'all ready? 1, 2, boom, there it is. All right, so airbags, impact, let's get a move on. There's your airbag. You got a bolt right here, which would be this bolt right here, or yeah, stud. There's that stud. You got a bolt on there. Let's see. All right, let me set that down. Mine are 3/4 inch right there. You got one on the top right there, and then you got one up under here on the bottom side of the airbag, which would be this one. Airline goes in right here. Very simple. Alright, now, you ain't gonna be able to see my beautiful face for a minute or so while I'm taking my nuts off. And it's gonna get a little bit loud when I hit the impact on there, but I'm gonna do this one and kind of walk you through it there, Timfo. Let's do this. Nut in the washer. Put them where you ain't gonna lose them. Now, I'm gonna be, if I can get my pointer to work, I'm gonna be working right over here. That damn thing's broke. I'm gonna have to calibrate my pointer. I'll get to that later. Oh. The ground's wet here. We had a little bit of snow the other day. So if you're working on wet ground, maybe get you a garbage bag or contractor bag or something like that if you got one. Or a piece of cardboard, or hell, just do like I do and don't worry about it. My nuts are dirty, that's oh. Oh, it's okay. They're dirty. That's why they're sticking in there. That was not that funny. Alright, you got an airline right here. Now on mine, you push in, hold that, and pull back at the same time. You push the hose forward, hold that little lip right there in, and pull back on the hose at the same time. See how I just push down on that airbag? That's all I did was push down on it. Get the air out. Take it off. Throw it to the side. So while you got that airbag off there, see if I can show you. See how dirty that is? We're gonna clean that up. 10-4. Alright, almost forgot. Unless you buy new airline fittings, which you should, I didn't, I should have, you're gonna have to take these off of your old airbags. What I'm gonna do is clean the threads up right here. You can see where they're kind of dirty and stuff. I'm gonna clean those up real good with a wire brush, real gentle and easy, and then put some thread lock on there to seal these up. Alright, you see I got my airline hooked back up. It's just a matter of pushing the line in and giving it a little tug backwards. Got my studs through the holes. Nut and washer on. Got the nut and washer on the bottom as well. What I've used these sticks for right here is put them in there like that under the frame back there. It keeps it up a little bit where you can get that airbag out a little easier and get the new one back in a little easier. So I'm gonna go ahead and tighten everything up on this one and move to the next one. I've got my impact on low. I've got 3 settings. I've got it on low. I just bumped it in a little bit. I didn't crank it and tighten it all the way. That right there is it. That's changing an airbag. Piece of cake. There's no reason why you can't do that yourself. You know, save you some money and shop time. Alright. So that was a piece of cake, right? You can do that yourself. But look, here's the thing, and I always say this in these videos, I try to anyway. If you don't feel comfortable and it seems like something that's beyond your ability, ain't nothing to feel bad about. There's things on this truck that I can't do. You know, I just had to replace an oil cooler. I could have done it, but I didn't feel comfortable taking the whole right side of the engine off. I got twin turbos and all that, and pretty much all that had to come off to get to the oil cooler. So I took it to a shop and let them do it. You know, some things you're better off to just not screw with, and that was one of those things for me. Like I said, now I could have done it out here in the front yard. I could have. I know I could have. There's no doubt in my mind, but I just didn't feel comfortable with it. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I'll be doing another one pretty soon. So y'all be cool. This is Price, and I am going to get busy putting the other 3 airbags on. Then I got something else to do. So happy trucking. Be safe. Put the cell phone down while you're driving. I don't care what you're driving. Put the cell phone down. There's nothing so important that you got to risk my life, your life, or some child's life out there on that road weaving all over the place while you're screwing around on your cell phone. Don't be selfish and inconsiderate. Y'all be cool. Y'all be cool. This is Price, and we'll talk at you later.